everyone, and welcome to the fourth episode of our cohort series Masterclass at Social Champ. My name is Kulsum, and I'm a community manager at Social Champ. So I'm just waiting for our audience to show up, and then I can walk you through it how you can automate your post with Social Champ. Let's get started. So, what is basically an automated posting at Social Charm? Well, living in 2023, we've seen there have been an advancement in technology, and being a marketer or being a social media marketing, handling everything can be very hectic. So, what we come with, like we as a SaaS product, what we have come up with is a social media automation tool where you can schedule your posts, automate them, optimize them in um, prior so that you can enjoy your weekend. I can show you how we can do it at Social Charm, and let's get started. So first of all, this is how your screen looks like when you sign up for Social Charm. And after connecting all of your social media accounts, let's say for now I have Twitter, Facebook, my Instagram, and my LinkedIn connected so far. We have up to 8 platforms to be connected, so I can go on and select my Mastodon as well, maybe Pinterest as well. So now I have 6 accounts so far. Here is a little composing comment where you actually compose your or draft your social media post. Let's say you are writing a tweet about something, or you're writing a caption or giving a description. So this is where you do it. So if you want to customize for each network, let's say if you want to create threads in your Twitters, or you want to make a very descriptive post for Facebook but a very small post for your Instagram, what you can do is just click on this network and it will segmentize all of your socials like this. And now you can play it around. So let's say I want to tweet of good morning everyone, and then I can pick up an emoji from here, anything I like. Let's say mm, something like this. And then we have an options of bunch of media to add. From here I can go for add media. So we have bunch of options here to select your media. You can either select it from your PC if you have something in your laptop already like this, or you can go in a recent. So if you have used Social Charm before and used it to create your post, all of your previous pictures or drafts will be saved here. Then we can go for in free images. If you are looking for something very basic or very general, then you can go it here. Like let's say I'm looking for something very basic, maybe a sun. So I will just type it here and bunch of random pictures will be show up. So these are pictures fetched from directly from Google, so you don't have to worry about copyrights. Then we have a new thing which is called AI Imaginator. It's basically an AI where you can give it a prompt. Let's say if you see my first example, it says a cupcake with pink frosting and sprinkles. So this is a prompt I've given to my AI, and he had created me a picture like this. So if you want to give it a prompt of something, gaming console, brown big chair, fluster, just throw some words and AI will create or generate a picture for you. It will take around 30 to 40 seconds, but it will do its work. Then we have an option of free videos where you can, like similarly as free images, you can create bunch of fetch pictures from here as well. Then we have GIFs. same. You can either search for it, looking for it, and then we have Google Drive. Here you can connect your Google Drive account, your Google account with SocialChamp, and if you have anything saved in your drive, you can directly fetch it from here. So instead of going through and all the hassle and old school that save it on your drive, download in your PC, and then upload it, you can directly just help let SocialChamp do its work and fetch it from there. So moving forward, then we have an options of hashtag. So I know like there have been some controversy or some talks around the town that hashtags are not trending anymore. They used to be good, but not anymore. But still, if you use hashtag for your post to optimize them or to for a better engagement or for a better reach, here's how you can do it. So instead of googling or searching for it like which hashtags are trending and which one you should use, you can easily SocialChamp will do it for you. So just type in hashtag and let's say morning, and it will give you a bunch of suggestions that these some of the hashtags are trending, so maybe you can start using them. So it is giving you for each platform. So on Twitter, some these hashtags are trending so far, so maybe you can use them. And for example, let's say you want to post this good morning everyone post every day for 7 days a week, 7 days. Then what you can do, but you don't want to create hashtag again and again, so what you can do is you can create a hashtag group here, like add a hashtag group here, give it a name like morning post. Then you can add up to 30 hashtags here. Let's say morning, good morning, beautiful, anything. You can go up to till 30 hashtag, that's the limit we have. And then once you click on add, your hashtag groups will be added here. I can show you here, this one, morning post. So for the next time, whenever you're composing a post, you can directly click on this and all the hashtags will be come across. Then we have an option of analyze sentiment. Here what we do is if you want to see how your caption is sounding, how your Twitter is sounding, does it give it a very positive or negative vibe to the audience? For example, you want to announce a very sad news, but you don't want to be very sad, and how audience will be perceived. So it can help you to analyze your sentiments. So just click on it, start analyzing it, and ta-da, it will give you a very basic review. So of course, a good morning everyone is a very positive message. So this has created me a very short report. Then we have an option of integrations. So for all those marketers out there who use Canva to create their graphics, so that's a good news for you and a cherry on top. So you can directly connect your account with Canva like this, and you can pick up any picture you want whenever something. For instance, I can just for the sake of demo, I'll just pick up this one and publish. And here it is. So instead of downloading it and then fetching it, it's already here. And then here's the thread option. So if you are looking to add number of threads to your tweet, because we all know there's a certain limitation to your tweets, so what you can do is you have an option of adding thread. So this is your first one, this is your second one, and then you can add another one, and so on. Done. So 2 threads are added here. And once you scroll down, so this is my Twitter so far, and if I go towards my Facebook, let's say I want a different caption. Let me just copy paste this one. I want a different caption which says, good morning everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. what are your plans. Mhm. So if you've seen that for a Twitter I wrote a very small captions, but for my Facebook I am looking forward to a very extended one. So that's how you can what let me set it up. And even if I want to use a different graphic for my Facebook, which I believe that it will look good more on Facebook but not on Twitter, then I can do that as well. I can take up add media, and go towards sun. Let's do this one. And that's it. This is how my Facebook is gonna look like. This is how my Twitter is gonna look like, and so on. You can go on and play around with it. What we have is that we even have an option of reels. So if you want to directly post reels through social time or schedule them for the future, you can do it from here. What you have to do, you just have to click it, and once it turns blue, that means your video is gonna post it as a reel on Facebook, and I can do it same. So just click on it, select the option you like, and done. So once it turns pink, that means your Facebook is your video is gonna post as a reel on your Instagram. These are a couple of options here how you can automate your posting. You can give it a thread, hashtags and thread editor. Then here's the main part, how you can schedule it. So just click on schedule and open up your calendar and pick a day and time. So we do not have any limitations that you can only schedule it for 1 week or 1 month. You can even go up till next 3 years. So there is no limitation. Let's say I want this post for the next year, and in the month of Jan, on 1st of Jan. Okay. So I've selected my time and date, and once I hit schedule, my post will be scheduled for the set date and time. But first, I have to fill up all of these details. Then we have an option. This is how your automated posting works, and then we have a couple of more options which I believe you'll be interested. We have an option of bulk upload. So if you are a marketer and you have lots of work or lots of tasks at your hands, and you do not have to go like daily on the daily basis, you do not have time to upload your picture. So what you can do is you can use a bulk upload option. Here what you can do is you just have to download our CSV file template, and once here it is done, this is how my CSV file template is look like. So you just have to fill it up, you just have to give it a text, oops, your month, everything, and once you fill it up, so this is the classification here. Just make sure you do not delete any columns, you do not delete any rows, and just fill it up as per its requirements. Otherwise it will give you prompts and it will be difficult for you. So just play it around, and once you do that, upload your CSV file here like this, go to next, select the social accounts for which you have done your back uploading. Let's say my Twitter, Insta, Facebook. Next, and this is how I'm just having a overview that if I'm making an error. So see, here's showing me an error because I did not post any picture here. So just make sure you do it as per the requirements of the CSV file, and when you hit next, and you will be all done. Discard and upload a new CSV file. Then we have an option of recycle. So this option comes very handy when you are running a campaign. Let's say you are running a campaign of Monday motivation. So for that you need to make a collection first. Just click on this, create a new collection of any folder you like. Let's say Monday motivation, And once you create your Monday motivational folder, you just need to add all of your graphics, your reels, your videos, your content, everything here. Once your folder is done and dusted, just go towards the campaign option, create a new campaign, give it a name like Monday motivation. Select the social media accounts you want this post to go. Let's say I just want my Twitter and Instagram, not the rest of them. So I can just select it from here. I can select my collection from here, the one which I created earlier. And let's say from coming Monday, which is 20th of March, till next month, I want this post to be like, I just want to run this campaign for 1 month every Monday. And then I can add a time slot that on Monday I want this post to go at 9 a.m. And once I hit create campaign, so after like from 20th onwards, your post, everything which you have added in your folder, in your collection, it will start going by one. Then we have an option of auto RSS. So if you write blogs, if you have blog pages and you want to promote them on your socials, so instead of doing it on daily basis, what you can do is you can create an RSS link. So for that you need to go through a Google and just place your blog link there. It will generate a link for you. So we already have that link here. This is called RSS feed link. And once you do that, let me just show you how our works. So this is our, I've given a website title name, I've given my RSS feed link here, and I have selected my socials here. I can select more if I like. Let's say I want my Twitter as well. Then I can select how many posts I want, doing like 5 posts in 24 hours, not more than 5. And if there are any images in my post, in my blog post, I want them to be used, so I can just hit on this. I can customize this as well, that maybe I want the title of the blog, I want the link, because I don't want my entire blog to be posted on my Facebook or my Twitter. I just want the link of the blog, I want the title, and maybe a little bit of description. But if I see the preview, it doesn't look that good. I mean, it looks very cluttered. So I don't want it to be look very cluttered. So what I can do is I can just remove the description from here and see that this is my last blog and this is how it looks on my social feeds. So I can just give it a row and save RSS. So once I do, and whenever I'm publishing a new blog on my blog, these posts will be going automatically. You do not have to worry about that. So this is a few of the basics of SocialCharm. If you have any questions about the platform, you can ask me in the comments below. So we have a question that, does number of hashtag depends on social media platform you're posting? Well, not really, but 30 is the number which is given. So yeah. Well, how can I upload videos through bulk upload? Well, we have an option in the CSV file where you can add your video URL, and once you upload it, it will directly fetch it from there. If you have any more questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Well, of course, you can post reels using bulk upload. You just have to give it a link there. Like for example, just upload everything in your reel, and you can directly and just mention it on the CSV file that you want to post as a reel. There's already a tab there. Well, if you're not watching it right now, and if you wish to watch the recorded version, and if you still have any questions, then what you can do, you can just tag me on this post and ask me the questions, and I'll be very happy to answer those. And if there aren't any more questions, I can call it off maybe. So, no more questions. I think that's it. This is me signing off. And if you have any more questions, feel free to comment. Just drop down your questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to tag me. Another thing is that we have. I hope you've been enjoying these cohort series for so far. We have another last session due for tomorrow, so stay tuned for further details. We'll be posting the details on our socials very soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.